Hi there guys, time has come to say goodbye to the Alpha 156. It's going to be put on auction today, so hopefully one of you guys will get yourself a nice little bargain. It's going to be a no reserve auction, so it'll go for whatever it goes for. Now I do think the bodywork has come up extremely nice indeed, considering this was sitting under some bushes for 7 whole years. I do think it has polished up really well. There are a few little scratches and a few little marks around it, consistent with a vehicle of this age, but initial thoughts are this car is one good looking thing indeed. Even given the engine bay a lot of love and attention to detail to make it look as though it has done the original 19,000 miles that it has done. Engine is sweet, nice and quiet, no knocks, variator is nice and quiet, it's got fresh oil in it, fresh cam belt, fresh water pump. It needs for nothing. Alloy wheels are in pretty reasonable condition, benefiting from 4 brand new Kumo tyres. The interior has a beautiful contrasting red leather interior, super comfy seats, and in remarkable condition, consistent with the mileage that it has done. It also has the super rare sunroof option. So let's go and take her for a test drive and see how good she drives. Now I've driven a lot, and I mean a lot, of Alpha 156s over the years, and this hands down drives the best I have ever driven a 156. Even back when they were 3 years old, I think 2 years old when I owned my first one, this still drives like brand new, and it is a testament to its low mileage that it is such a good car. Engine is totally cold, and as you can hear, the engine is lovely and quiet. Gear change is nice and stiff, and the gear stick doesn't wobble anywhere. Steering is nice and tight. No lights on the dashboard. You have a stereo, your heater works. Some people may comment that it's only the 1.6 engine, which is the smallest variant they made in the Alpha 156. It's a really economical engine, it's extremely reliable, and it's actually pretty nippy considering the size of the engine. So anybody looking for an economical family car, you've got one right here. The link for the eBay auction will be down in the description below, so go and check that out once the video finishes. Please only bid if you intend on actually buying the car. Please don't mess me around. All proceeds from the sale of this car are actually going to be invested back into the units. I hope to buy a new ramp and some new lights to get the unit looking a little bit better and enable me to film these videos in a little bit of a brighter environment for you guys. So it really is a shame that I don't need this car, because it is an amazing car and it still drives like new. Suspension is totally quiet, gear change is nice and stiff and smooth, engine sounds absolutely brilliant, and the interior and the seats are still really comfortable and look really nice. I just wish I had a need to use it. So I've got 2 other cars to drive. I've got a GTA and I've got several other things on the go, and this just needs to go to make room in my unit. So how is this going to work? Just a normal eBay auction, no reserve. We're going to start it at 1 pence or whatever you need to start it at. And you guys head over to the link in the description below, and fingers crossed it goes for a decent sum. I think all day long this car is worth £4,500, but I'm going to let it go for whatever you guys think it's worth. So you guys get bidding, and good luck to you. See you in the next one.